Today we're talking about something that potentially affects every family, and that is probate. More specifically, how to avoid probate. Did you know probate can take months and even years and cost thousands of dollars in legal fees? Imagine your family having to wait months or even years to access needed funds while paying expensive legal fees. That's probate. And unfortunately, it happens every day. But by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to help your loved ones avoid this situation and what kind of options you have. First, let's understand what probate actually is. Probate is the process of transferring a deceased person's assets to their beneficiary. That could be done with a last will and testament, or the last will that your state where you're living in has written into state law. Either way, a court is involved in the probate process. Think of it like a traffic jam. The court controls when things move forward, everyone can see what's happening, and nobody gets anywhere very quickly. But there are 4 smart alternatives that can help you and your family avoid probate entirely. Alternative number 1, my favorite, a revocable living trust. Think of this like your own private road for your assets. You maintain control during your lifetime, but after you're gone, everything transfers privately, quickly, no court needed. The best part, your family gets to access the assets quickly, and your privacy, their privacy, stays protected. Alternative number 2, beneficiary designations. These can work for bank accounts, investment accounts, retirement accounts, life insurance, and even real estate in some states. But that's for another video, so stay tuned. Think of these like a direct delivery service. Assets go straight to your chosen person, bypassing the probate process completely. Alternative number 3, joint ownership. This one's straightforward. When you own property jointly with someone, it passes automatically at death. No court gets involved, and it works for both real estate and bank accounts. But be careful, and remember, you have to consider tax implications before choosing this option, and more importantly, what happens if both joint owners die at the same time or within a short amount of time. Alternative number 4, lifetime gifts. This might be one of my favorite because you get to see the impact during your lifetime. You get to see somebody's eyes when you actually give them a gift. This is strategic gifting because it also reduces your estate size, helps your family members now, can offer tax benefits, and lets you witness, like I said, the differences that you're making in other people's lives. Now, let's create your action plan. First, list all your assets. Put them on a piece of paper. A lot of people are surprised with what they have. Check your beneficiaries. Consider trust benefits. Talk to your family and meet with 2 or 3 attorneys to figure out who you're going to work with. Remember, avoiding probate isn't just about saving money. It's about making things easier for your loved ones when they need it most.
I know I've thrown a lot at you today, so that's why we've prepared our free guide on estate planning. I'll put a link to it in the description below and in the comment section below that so that you can download it and get started in the right direction. And to help you out even more, watch this video up here and this video up here. If you enjoyed this video, then guys, please smash that subscribe button and click on the like button. And also click on that little bell so you'll get notified every time we post a new video. Have a great day and an awesome week. And as always, thanks for watching.